Hmm. This was wrong. It's meant to where there would be an order already placed, and then it just sends status update messages to the customer. Yeah, to the customer. So the customer app places the order, right? And then it takes that order context from the storage table and fulfills the rest of the stages. So the question is, where is the script for courier? There should be maybe if I do a search for courier. Courier requested to courier publish. I'm almost positive I had a script in here for a courier to be notified. I don't know if that means it's in my courier solution. What's this thing? That's team. Let's just get. I don't know. I'll put you in the bottom down here. Well, this Search Explorer showing up all the way over here. Hey, Observer. Request listener. Submit courier application. Yeah, so it's not in here. It has to be in here somewhere, dude. Publish courier requested to service bus. Maybe this is it right here. Let me see. Maybe not. Then JSON.for query request. What's this? Customer location is probably gonna have a, yeah, it has, all right. So we gotta pull out this courier. Couriers. Why does this look so lopsided? We need no replacements made. What? Place, replace, place. Save, bill. All right, so let's see if this is going to work out. Here's the courier app, okay? And we are going to run this script. We know that the courier ID is now being referenced in that script. There should be an Azure topic for that courier ID. Let's see. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. So now I gotta check my Azure portal. Stop sharing. I mean, I could probably share my test solution. I could probably share like this window, but that's about it. I gotta check my Azure portal. Topics and I have a whole bunch of dangling messages. So I don't have any orders, do I? Yeah, no orders. So now I got to run publish request. I got to run this other test now, which is delete. There's delete courier requested topic for specific. No, I don't want to do that. Delete courier topics. Do that. That should clean up my Azure Service Bus topics. And it doesn't. It doesn't. I got two angling. Let's see. I don't see the code we're actually retrieved. Oh my god. Why is this so far out here? Where is orders, ensure exists, orders, call table, get entities, call table. How is this returning last request ID? Where is this being used at? What's this right here? What did this used to look like? Let's do get history. I feel like the last one was 11.7. Okay, I thought I was comparing. Hold on. Let's do I thought there was a git compare, right? Create request topics. Apparently it's right below it. So for this delete courier topics, there's a teardown. Here we go. Um, mm, mm, and I want to say that how do I do this? One of the IDs is this right here. So run that. Then the other ID is, well, there's 3 of them I gotta delete. Here's the other one right here. Run that. And the last one is it the last one? It looks like there's 2 more. This right here. Run that. This is the last one right here. Run that. That should clear up my service bus topics. That clears it. Make sure that query requested topic still exists. Okay. So then we can put this back. I could probably go back to sharing my entire screen or desktop. And this is the courier app that we're focusing on. And there should be a published courier accepted. First, we got to run a. All right, so there's no orders in here, right? So if I go to orders over here, it is empty. All right, so we first run customer places order request, and then we run courier accepted to service. Like that's not it. Customer places order request. Let's do that first. Say run. Okay. All right. We have an order right here. Okay. Now, publish customer accepted, like, I'm not sure if that's really. I want to, there should be a test for like notifying couriers. And honestly, just placing that order request should have prompted it should have prompted the subscribe courier. So it looks like, let's start over. Let's delete, oh shoot, delete, run that. Stop sharing my screen. Go to my Azure portal. Run this, delete courier topics. Run this again. Yeah, run this again. Okay, I don't know why it's failing. Why are you failing? Hold up. Run this in debug mode. Put a breakpoint right here. $5AOE. Oh, that's wrong. Hold up. What am I doing? Hold up. Why is it saying that the request is AOE? Why is that's not the, that is the order number. All right, so what? Something's not right. Why is it referencing? All right, I think I see the issue. I think I see the issue. Well, this, that, that, and we'll let's kill, and then run this again. And I guess I could just share my test. We will share, we will share, and just share my test screen for right now. All right, let's delete all my topics. Delete this order. Let's figure this out. Let's first look for the customer places order and figure out. Let's first. Oh shoot! Hold up. I do that. Customer places order. Let's figure out what that does. You know what's interesting is we create request topics after the order is. Yeah, I don't think that's right. All right, let's just request a delivery, which should put an order in our source table. I'll just do that first. My Azure topics are clear right now. Okay. Okay. So hit refresh, and there's no topics that are generated. Okay. If I look at my Azure storage table, I have a entry called 1BD7A. That's the last 4 digits of the order request ID. Okay. When I say create topics asynchronously, oh shoot, that's why. Do that. Do that. Kill. Go back to our refresh. Go back to our source table. Delete that. Run this again. Now, I need to have a script that just does a search and destroy for all programmatically created topics. All right, so let's see if we have a order that shows up. 257 is the last 3 digits. And so then 3 point right there should be 257, which is this right here. And then it creates the topics. Run that. That will result in the topics being created. Okay, that's fine. I don't understand why it's taking so long. Are you still creating topics? Something's not right. Why hasn't it returned? Okay, it returned. Okay, and it created the topics. Okay. Uh, so the next part is if we request a delivery, courier dispatch should be triggered. Let me say delete Courier status topics. Now this should probably go green, right? I mean, it's working. I feel like it's going to go green. Oh, shoot. Hey, GZB. Let's see, I can't even see you turn on the light, man. My light's not on. I'm relying on daylight. I don't know if you're still in here or not. You did send that like almost, I can't do the math, 7 minutes ago. Are you still in there? Where am I at? Did the test finish? Are my topics deleted? My topics are deleted. It doesn't delete the entry in here. Tear down. I don't understand why it doesn't delete that entry. I'll delete it in here. Yeah, I guess he left. Put a breakpoint on courier dispatch. And there should be like a request courier somewhere in here. Oh, there's a solicit function. Delivery requested function. Request courier. Put a breakpoint right here. And let's delete courier status topic. Okay, we can go back now to customer places order. Run that in the debugger. The courier dispatch is executed. Does it hit the pool? Hits the pool. Does it find a courier? It finds a courier. Okay. Topic name is topic that couriers found. Okay. So it publishes that. Next is, does it match courier order to route requests? Okay, so next is, does it get a route for that courier? It gets a route for that courier. Of course, you can't see this because I'm in a different solution. Creates a courier requested label. Do we even use this label anywhere? Yeah, we do. Okay. We create a topic. Oh, we create a topic name. Topic courier requested, and we pass in that the last segment of the GUID. Okay, and let me see. You're not seeing this right now. I guess I could share my screen and your audio. That. Okay, so we're in the courier dispatch. We placed courier requested payload into for that given topic. Like that should work. And then we store the solicitation details. All right, so this is the line of code that drops that message into our service bus or on the service bus. This whole store solicitation details, we're just storing that data, but this is the one that should actually do the notification. Okay. If I attempt to step into here, attempting to publish topic, okay, good stuff. Do I have a connection string? I do. Okay. This, we have a, let's put a breakpoint right here. And we'll make sure that this line successful gets hit. Let me periodically check my thing. No. All right. So connection string we have topic courier requested. That's in here. Okay. And we get ready to send that message. What just happened here? What just happened here? What was that? A timeout? Yeah, it was a timeout. Okay. So that was it right here. Like it goes It gets published. It gets published. Hit play. The question is, why is this still hitting? Why is this being called again? That's the question. Is it because it failed initially? That's the timeout. Our output window is tucked in the publish topic. Publish topic. Yeah, that's fine. It says some courier requested. All right, so it finally hits that. Why does it keep? The question is sort by, try head. Why do we keep invoking this? Why is this still being called? I wish I could put a breakpoint on this async block. Oh, okay, I guess I can. Okay. This delivery let's put a breakpoint right there too. What is the issue? It fails, so it keeps on trying to restart that Azure function. Is that why it keeps getting called? Curious if that's the reason. Let's break that out here. Let's go to our test called delete. Run. Okay. Let's do this again. Customer places order requests. What I expect to happen is this courier. Let's look at this courier app. Why aren't you being notified? Surely it's within our, let me see. App.xaml.cs. You said that you registered. there should be like a on order or on request, on call requested. No, it's not on call requested though. On notif. What about notification? Okay, there's a whole bunch of on. What about notified? Notified? No. On order? No. How do I get? Okay. What do I search for in here? This is app link. Yeah, this is a deep link. Prompt courier. Okay, we're getting warmer. We're getting warmer. Periodically check my messages. On app link request received. No, that's not it. Prompt courier. This is it right here. Where is it? No, it's the same thing. We register. We have this. This right here needs to be hit. Make sure that we don't have any orders in here. Okay. Did I start the app? Hold up. What is this? Oh, okay. This is fine. So then we say, if it contains a key, delivery request status, and, or if it doesn't contain that key, and it is subscribed, which that should be true, we say that, or if it does contain the key subscribed, and then we check to see if we are subscribed, and then we say, if we are subscribed and there's not a pending delivery, and the request notifier that is enabled is not true, then we say request notifier dot value enable. Step into that. All right. Create subscription filter. I don't even know what that means. I know I'm subscribed. What just happened? All right, so I think I found something that's weird. I don't think it ever executed any of this other stuff. Put a breakpoint on everything and just walk it, right? Because it's not, I feel like it just crapped out. If I look at my output window, I don't see anything. And then we want to get here. So restart this. Put a breakpoint right here. It's building. Okay. What just happened? If not flagged, then run. We go to that point. Run. We go to that point. Create subscription filter async. Run. We go to that point. Connection string. How come this stuff isn't showing up? It's not telling me what my connection string is. Not telling me what the topic is. Why not? Immediate window. Okay. I can't get this information. Why? Oh, actually, I don't care about the top two. Run. And then it just immediately returns. No, that's not true. But I don't have any data tips on here. What does that return anyway? It returns before we even finish. Operation timeout 1 minute. Okay. Rules found. Okay, I don't know anything about that. Okay. It doesn't appear to get past this right here. Do I have this in a try catch? I do. This used to work. Has it been an hour yet? No, it's been exactly 1 hour. Still building. We get up to rules found, but none of this other stuff gets executed. And what I'm saying is that an exception should be thrown if it can't complete it, right? Okay, we have a connection string. We await and then it immediately does a return. Right, that's the part that I'm tripping on. I don't get it. Let's see, okay. I mean, it kind of makes sense why I'm not getting any notifications. Not finishing. When someone tells me, why am I checking for a flag? So it never gets to this part right here. I'm not sure how to handle this. It's not clear to me why it's doing that. Why do I have this? Why do I have this concept of a flag in here? I don't understand that. Let's comment that out. Figure out what the consequences are. No, do I want to do that? Why do I have a flag in here? Yeah, I'll do it. So the if block. Do I need to wrap this in the Probably should, right? Say try, and then catch uh, exception ex, and then what? Say what should I put here? I guess I just say throw. Do I throw ex or is it already implied? I thought I thought it's already implied, right? Whatever. I guess there's no harm in doing it. I mean, the only harm is it's verbose because I'm too lazy to look up how it works. Regardless, we have that in here now. If I hit run, what's the weather looking like? It's 70 right now? Okay. I don't understand why it's doing this. I'm not understanding. It's not awaiting the completion of this. Why aren't you awaiting the whole thing? It hits in here, okay? We hit that. It doesn't hit anything else. It doesn't throw an exception. It doesn't do anything. I don't understand. It's in the try block. The only other thing I could think of is my NuGet packages may need to be. I may need to clean, rebuild everything, make sure everything's updated. But I mean, go to Android. Bin, object, delete that. Clean. That's the only thing I could think of is my debugger is out of sync. That's the only thing I could think of. So that's a clean, rebuild. It's still building. All right, it rebuilt. Okay, await this right here. Hit play. It's returning prematurely, man. I don't understand. I really don't. Hold up. Do I put this return down here? Would that make anything better? Like I can't figure out why it's doing this. And then of course I'll put a breakpoint right here on this return. It's in the try catch block. Like that's the part that I'm tripping on. Like I honestly don't know why it's behaving like this. It never hits this. We have the try block. And it should just catch it in here if there's an issue, but like it's just not. I thought I had the play button already. Okay. This is going against the laws of physics, man. I don't understand how it. I don't understand. Like what's I gotta check my output window. That's the only thing I can think of. I'm gonna clear my output window when we hit that method. And then I'm just gonna check my output window because like it's not clear to me how it's just refusing to execute the following lines of code or throwing an exception. Like it's one or the other. And then I'm just going to take a break and just let my daemon threads just try to figure it out. All right, so output window, clear. Okay. It didn't even care. Okay, so now hit the rules found. And then that was it. What else can we do? We say await, it immediately just exits out. Is there like I just wait? What's the difference between wait and no wait? I guess it's synchronous, right? I feel like this is so wrong. I thought I hit the play button. So now we got the weight in here instead of await. Is that going to make any difference? No, doesn't make a difference. It doesn't. I got to write an essay in Stack Overflow. It doesn't do anything, man. Like, what the? It doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter what I do. It doesn't throw an exception. It doesn't do anything. It just. It doesn't do anything. Let me see if anybody else is having issues with this. Um, I tried that. Taking a break. I'm frustrated right now.